guys, it's your girl Shay and welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see, we are going to be doing another wig review today. But the catch to this is actually a human hair review. I haven't done a human hair review in forever. I don't even know if I've ever done one on this channel, honestly. But we got a human hair today. This is an Amazon wig, you guys. I'm kind of trying to get into Amazon a little bit more just because it's efficient. Like when you have Amazon Prime, you can get a lot of hair and wigs and stuff like that for 2 days, because this right here, baby, this literally came in like it was like either 1 or 2 days. Like I ordered it and then it was here like the next day, I think. It was like 1. Honestly, if I can remember correctly. But we're gonna get into this. So this right here, you guys, is from a brand called, I believe, Hepoiss hair. I actually found this because my mom, like, I was at work, y'all, and my mom literally texted me and was like, oh my god, look at this wig. This wig has like really good reviews, da-da-da-da. This is not sponsored whatsoever. She literally sent it to me and was like, oh, look at this. Like, this is like, you know, really nice. It's affordable and it has really good reviews, da-da-da-da. And I was like, you know what, forget it. I have never tried an Amazon like hair company. Let me go ahead and just try and see, you know, what it is, what I like, etc. But I ended up getting the 13 by 14 lace front wig, 20 inches, and it did kind of catch me off guard when I first took it out the package. I will put video in there of me taking out the package because it was body wave. So this is a body wave wig and it was really short, and it caught me off guard because usually if you buy body wave, it's accurate in terms of the inches for the body wave. Like anytime I've ever bought body wave, if it was like 20 inches, 18, whatever, it was that length in the body wave state. But for this is the 20 inches once you straighten it. So be aware that like when you get this, it's 20 inches, but it's 20 inches straight, not body wave. So that did low-key catch me off guard. I was like, wait a minute, hold on. Like I ordered 20 inches and this was given very much 16. That's not what I ordered, sweetie. But I did straighten it, as you can see, and it is 20 inches on me. I'm short, I'm 5'2", so it goes down pretty much to kind of like not right above my butt, but like about maybe a couple of inches above my butt. So, you know, it's a decent length. But I went ahead and I paid $98 for this wig, which I thought was a steal because it's a lace front wig. $98, took 2 days to get here. Like, I mean, what more can you ask for? And it's human hair on top of that. Now we'll go ahead and give some of the pros. So some of the pros to it, it has a lot of like hardware in the inside of the wig. I'm not a fan of combs, so it does have combs in the wig. It has about, I think it has like 4 combs, which is actually quite a lot. It does have a little bra strap mechanism, which I really like because that's pretty much what I use to get it tight onto my head. Now, what I will say, a con to this wig, you guys, if you are a big-headed mommy like me, okay, and when I say big-headed, I mean like my like wig head that I use is 23 inches. Like if you have a big head, it is going to be small. I had to adjust my wig, and I'm going to show y'all how I adjusted it because it's an easy way to adjust it, but I had to adjust it. So what is the easiest way for me to show you? Let me go ahead and take this out so I can show you guys. Like I had to cut this in order for it to even like fit comfortably because I can't stand a wig that ain't comfortable. So basically on this side, because this side I don't have it glued down, if you see right here, I cut that lace. So you know how the lace front lace lays down on you like this? I went right here and I cut that lace so that it can lay where I wanted it to lay. And I did the same exact thing on this side. And the reason that I say it's small is because I've had to do that before on my wigs, but not to the extent of what I had to do with this wig. Like I had to cut actually quite a lot on both sides in the front of my head in order for it to fit. Now granted, I don't have no straight backs, you know, I don't really have a flat foundation, but my foundation underneath this wig is like pretty flat. I'm not gonna lie to you. So if you have a big head, take that into consideration, okay? It is a good deal because of the price, but it's not one of them things that's like a slap on your head and go type of situation, because you are gonna have to like adjust it to your head size. Now getting back to the pros, what I will say for this wig, the hair is super soft. Like I will not lie to you, the texture of this hair is great. It is not giving wool, it is not giving any, like it truly is a very smooth texture. And it was like that even in body wave. Like when I first took it out of the package, I was like, oh, it's giving velvet, it's giving silky. Like I really love how it feels. Another pro to me, now this necessarily might not be a pro to everybody, but to me, I love the fact that it has just the right amount of density. Like I personally don't really care for hair that is too thick because I feel like it looks unnatural at that point. So for this one, it has enough density, as you can see, where it's like you can't see through it necessarily. It's like all there, but at the same time, you know, it's not thin where it's like, girl, I can see through yo, you know, ain't like that. And the reason I really like that is because it makes it quicker for you to do your hair. Like for me to straighten this hair, it didn't take me too long to straighten it, and it was easier for me to straighten it because I just didn't have to go through so many hairs in order to get it silky smooth. And I don't know, I just like the fact that it doesn't weigh too much. Like, it feels good. It's really, really flowy. Like, it moves, y'all. It moves. In terms of shedding goes, to me, it doesn't shed overly. Like, I've been playing in my hair a lot recently because I've been doing like a lot of videos and, you know, et cetera, et cetera. But to me, it just sheds like normal. Like, it sheds normal. It's nothing that's like excessively as far as the shedding goes. Now, I'm gonna get a little closer so you guys can see how the lace is. Now, there's like one con to the lace that I kind of noticed, and it kind of is something that's simple. It's a simple fix. You can fix it with like concealer, you can fix it with foundation, but to me the lace was a little bit on the whiter side. Like, it wasn't super dark, which is a positive. I'd rather it be lighter than it be too dark, but it did kind of have like a white film to it. So I'm gonna get close so you guys can see. I did put a little concealer on it, so it is blending a little bit better, but take into consideration, I didn't bleach any knots. So like, my knots right now are not bleached. I need to go and bleach them. I didn't bleach them because ain't nobody got time to that. I washed it and then I, you know, styled it. I ain't bleached nothing. So this is what the lace looks like, and I will lift this up here as well just so you guys can kind of see what the lace looks like in color. Like, it does have a little concealer on it, so it's not bad. Like, if you bleach this lace, I wholeheartedly I truly believe that if you bleach this, it's gonna look like scalp. Like, that's what I think it will, but I haven't bleached it yet. But this is what it looks like. I did do some plucking. I probably need to do some more plucking, and also take into consideration I do have some adhesive like glue and stuff on there, so that right there is probably causing a little bit of the whiteness as well. I just feel like, personally, like, this is low-key a good deal. Like, $98, 20 inches. It feels so good, and like, I've been wearing it now probably for about, I would say about a week's time. I've been wearing it, and to me, nothing has switched up. Like, texture has not switched up. It's still great in terms of the straightening. I believe it will hold a curl. I haven't done curls yet. I've just kind of had it straight. I believe it's gonna hold a good curl. We'll see. I'm planning on kind of doing like a flexi rod video, so we'll see kind of if it does. But it came in the body wave, and the body wave was like, so I'm like, okay, I think it's gonna keep it, I think it's gonna curl real good. But y'all, I really say, honestly, give it a try. Like, the only downside that is truly a downside to this is if you have a big head. Like, that's about it. Like, other than that, if your head is not super big like mine, and you can kind of just slap wigs on, you never really have an issue about, oh, this wig is gonna fit me, etc., etc. I say go ahead and get the wig because honestly, it's a deal, and they got it on sale, y'all. It's $10 less than what I purchased. So listen, click the link in my bio, okay? Make sure you go ahead and get your wig, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Honestly, it's such a good wig. It feels really, really good. The color itself is like, it looks black in camera, but it is one of those things that has like the natural highlights in it, where it has like the reds and like but it's like only one of the things that you can see in like the sun. You're not gonna look at the hair and be like, oh my god, like, it's, you know, no, no. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and let your girl know. I will try to insert like some pictures and clips and stuff throughout this video. You guys probably already saw them, just to kind of give you more of an idea of how this look. Make sure you subscribe to your girl's channel for more content. I do travel videos, lifestyle videos, sit down talks. I also do hair videos. As you can see, we do a lot of things on here, you guys. We're just trying to be, you know, we're trying to get into that main character, you know, build our life and stuff like that. Make sure you follow me on my social media. All the links are down below in the description box. Love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.
She give me for me thing so whine it for me, girl say she whine it for me thing so move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so come they sing so whine it for me thing so I ain't a bad man, I ain't they want to say I